UPSC is not about that you know and you will make it. है ना? If you look into the question paper, you will find that out of 100 question paper, if you have gone through the entire GS preparation, 40 question you will correct it. 40 question तक आप बना दोगे. But this 40 is sufficient? No. And after 40 question, every single question will be a struggle for you. And 40 के बाद next 20 question, let's say, that you are trying to get correct, this all will be cracked, not by the sheer knowledge, but by the concept, understanding, and wisdom. You get my point? You will have to link many things together, and then you will have to get to the right answer. There are two types of questions. One that we tick and we know that we are correct. Right? I know it, that is correct. Yahi answer hai. Such type of question is only 40. And then we take risk over next 20 question. There we tick, but still we are doubtful that is it correct or not. And then we do what? Whenever we come back from the examination, we just look into the books and websites and YouTube channels. Kiska answer kisne kya diya hai? You get my point? So this 20 question, you are basically putting your wisdom and hunch to correct it. And it's all depend upon your wisdom is paying you or not. If you are not well read, you are just focused on information, then out of this 20 question, majority of the question will be wrong. If you have studied well, revision is good, you have acquired information, knowledge, and created wisdom, then what will happen? These 20 question, you will find that out of 20, 15 is correct, 5 is still wrong. That is why you can never eliminate 100% minus marking. There will be there. Right? So, wisdom will come from knowledge. Knowledge will come from fact and information. The problem is that when we realize that fact and information is preparation, no, it's not. And fact and information से IIT निकल सकता था, मेडिकल के क्वेश्चन बन सकते थे, UPSC के क्वेश्चन नहीं बनते. Yes, out of 100 questions, there are 10, 12 questions which are just fact and information. But are these 10 and 12 questions or 15 questions are there for selection? No, everybody will do it. I mean, unless you do and cross the cutoff, it doesn't make any sense. So when we start our classes, when we learn, when you study, when we teach, obviously things will go from fact and information. We'll start from there. Then through the fact and information, we try to create some knowledge. Knowledge will be transferred to you. And then you will make use of this knowledge to create wisdom for yourself. Coaching and teacher can only help you with the fact, information, and knowledge. The wisdom part is your part. You get my point? That how to use it. In UPSC, wisdom is very, very important. A little less important is knowledge. Fact and information is not important. It's a tool to develop knowledge. And then knowledge becomes tool to develop wisdom. There is a very basic difference in that. I'll give you one example. After that, we'll start it. In botany, we say that anything which has got seed inside is fruit. Anything, any structure, any plant structure which has got seed inside, seed is present inside, it is called fruit. Let's say mango is a fruit because it has got seed inside. Papaya is a fruit because it has got seed inside. Even banana is a fruit because traditionally banana used to have seed inside. Even the wild variety of banana, they have seed. But now we have developed seedless varieties. Even tomato is a fruit because it has got seed inside. Brinjal is a fruit because it has got seed inside. Lauki is a fruit because it has got seed inside. Ladyfinger is a fruit because it has got seed inside. That is your information. You got it? Then we got a knowledge by this information. Okay, now I got the knowledge that anything which has got seed inside will not be considered as vegetable. Technically, this is fruit. This is knowledge. And wisdom is what? That when I come to your place and you offer me something, sir, today I have made fruit salad, please have it. And you bring a fruit salad bowl with all ladyfinger, raw, then brinjal, then loki, and a few pieces of mango and watermelons. So that is where the wisdom is lacking. So wisdom says that, okay, anything which contains seed inside is a fruit. But according to the wisdom, when you are making fruit salad, don't put brinjal in it. Don't put loki in that. You get my point? So this is what the wisdom is. So wisdom kahan se aaya? Knowledge se hi to aaya. So judicious use of knowledge is basically wisdom. So that is what UPSC is different from the other thing. Otherwise, rest of the other things, they are limited to knowledge.